Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off subtitles on YouTube. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to follow is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to open any video. So I'm going to click on library and here I'm going to open the second video. So once that video is open, so let me skip the ad so that I am going to show you the next step. Okay, so then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right, and here you can see the option of second caption. Click on that option and here you can find the first option, turn off captions. So yeah, now you can see that captions are turned off, and simply if you want to click on that gear icon again and click on caption, and if you want you can click on English auto generated, and if you want you can click on auto translate. But for this video I'm going to turn off captions, so I simply need to click on turn off captions, and now captions are turned off. So this is a process by which you can turn off caption or subtitles on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.